Hello, my bananas. It's Brianna. Today, I was thinking, I recently got this bundt pan for $5. You know how I can't resist a good cake pan deal, so I had to buy it. But I'm not good at baking. So, I was thinking about monkey bread. Monkey bread's pretty easy. You just pull apart some biscuits, put it all together, and voila. But I wanted to make it more interesting. So I started looking for inspiration. I saw some things like pizza monkey bread, buffalo chicken monkey bread, and then I saw green chili cheese monkey bread. And then I thought, I should make green chili chicken enchilada monkey bread. Because if you've been watching my videos for a while, about 2-3 years ago, I made a video called Revealing My Secrets. And in that video, I made green chili chicken enchiladas. And I make them all the time. Everybody loves them. They're super cheesy, delicious, and filling. And so I thought I would try and translate that into a monkey bread. Okay, so this is an experiment, and you're here to watch it. I hope you're excited like I am. So, let me get the rest of my ingredients out. Okay, so we got 2 little tubes of biscuits. I went with Pillsbury. You can go with whatever brand you like. This is the OG biscuit. I could have gotten like a cheaper biscuit, but they were like 3/4 the size of the tube. So no. We got Mexican cheese. We got cream cheese, green chili enchilada sauce, and diced green chilies. Now, and chicken. I bought a rotisserie chicken and I picked the meat. You can't see. Okay. Now, I'm gonna place this over here. I'm gonna rearrange some things real fast, okay? So I've cut up my cream cheese into little cubes. I have poured my enchilada sauce into this bowl. Chicken's here on deck. My green chilies are here. I have my biscuits ready to go. So now I'm gonna open these. I don't know if you guys are scared. It's one of the scariest things about cooking. It's opening this tube right here. Whew, okay. We got one. Okay, we did it. So what I'm planning on doing is quarter these. Take 1/4 and smash it. Kind of spread it out. Take a little bit of cream cheese, put it in there. That might have been too much cream cheese. Just like pinch the dough all around the cheese. Make sure it's all enclosed. And we'll make it into a little ball. Put that aside. Let me do a few more of these and then we'll move on. Okie dokie. So I've done 1 full tube of biscuits worth cream cheese filled biscuit balls. Okay, so now I'm gonna put these straight into this enchilada sauce. I want to grab the spoon first. Those nice and drenched in the enchilada sauce. Take a slotted spoon and we're gonna put those right in the bottom. That also took me like 15-20 minutes to do just 1 tube of balls. So for the next tube, I think I'm not gonna stuff them. Because why? This is an experiment. And if you can't tell that these are filled with cream cheese when it's all baked, then what's the point of doing a whole nother tube of cream cheese filled balls? Okay, so we've got a whole nice layer here. If you can see, they're all sliding. Trying to get them kind of even. The even shimmy shake. I'm probably not going to use all of this chicken because this is a lot of chicken. So let me get like half this chicken. Mix it with the green chilies. You know what? I'm actually going to mix in a good amount of this cream cheese too. Alrighty, so now I got my chicken, green chili, cream cheese mixture. As well as I can mix the cold cream cheese. We're gonna make a nice middle layer. I'm actually gonna dab some more of this cream cheese. Let's not forget about our Mexican cheese. If I can get this open. Sprinkle a good couple handfuls. And then we'll put some more on top / bottom. So now I'm gonna quarter up the rest of these biscuits. And then we'll take each quarter and roll them up. Stick them in the sauce, put them on top. I'm gonna preheat the oven to 350. And then we're probably gonna cook it for half an hour and see what that does. I'll let you know if I pull it out any sooner. So, let me put the rest of this together and put it in the oven. And then when I come back, we'll be trying this delicious cheesy enchilada-y monkey bready experiment. I'm excited. Okay, see you soon. Okay. I took this out of the oven and I've been waiting so patiently about 10 minutes for it to cool off so I can get it out of this pan and try it. So I just want to make sure it's gonna unstick when I flip it upside down. And I actually cooked it for about 25 minutes, but your oven may vary. Here we go. Oh, all except for that one part facing you guys. Oh boy. Look at it from this side. Oh boy. I don't know how to serve this. I'm gonna use this wooden spoon, I guess. Let me take out this messy part. Oh my god. Okay, I think this ball is supposed to be cream cheese filled. So let's try this one. Still really steamy and hot. Okay, guys. Cheers. Oh my god. I think I'm onto something. Oh my god. This is super delicious. I'm gonna make this more often instead of my enchiladas. It's gonna be super filling. There's a whole bunch there. That could feed 5 people, 6 people maybe. It's Brianna approved. So please try this yourself if you have a bundt pan. I will be making other things from the bundt pan. For example, once we get to 200 subscribers, eventually, I'm gonna make a special Jello mold, probably out of this old Jello recipe cookbook. So help me get to 200 subscribers. Thanks for watching this video. Try something new and exciting for yourself, like this maybe. Let me know how it goes. Let me know if you have any other crazy ideas or stuff you want me to try. And I will see you next week with another video. Okay, bye-bye.